Ready to level up your all-terrain vehicle experience? Here are 5 must-have Amazon accessories for 2025 that riders swear by. Kicking off with the Feelin' RGB LED light bar kit. This is not your average headlight. It packs smartphone control, chasing colors, strobe modes, and even music sync for night rides that pop. Next, the Zslit paracord grab handle. Strong, stylish, and practical, this strap adds extra safety for passengers on rough terrain or tight turns. Bring the bass with the Boss. Audio UTV 4B. Weatherproof, powerful, and Bluetooth enabled. This 4-speaker soundbar turns every ride into a rolling party. Need more carrying power? The Kolpin gear basket gives you durable steel storage up front, perfect for tools, gear, or a cooler on the go. Finally, the Guide Gear rear lounger. Padded seating meets lockable storage, ideal for long days, hard work, or trailside chilling. Lighting, grip, sound, cargo, and comfort. These 5 upgrades can redefine your all-terrain vehicle adventures in 2025. Links are below. Explore more top-rated gear at thebuybeacon.com.